Namaste viewers. Is it possible for you to make consistent income from option trading? The answer is yes. With the support of WinTrader software, you can easily earn consistent income from option trading. Through this simple video, I will show you how to make consistent profit from option buying. First, start with Nifty. This is Nifty's live chart, and you can see this is a real-time market value 18,853. So you can see this vertical line is here, that is a day separation line. That means today's market start from here, and you can see this red down arrow, that is a sell signal, and green up arrow is a buy signal. So these are the automatic signals, and whenever software generates a signal, same time the alert, that is a pop-up message, will come with sound effect. In that alert message, you can find that entry point at what level. If it is sell signal, it will display the sell price, and if it is buy signal, it will display the buy price. The same details also display in the above dashboard. You can see in Nifty we got a sell at 19,008, and the time and the date and the price and the status. In status you can see all target has been achieved. But software gives signals, automatic signal, but before taking the position you have to check whether this signal is confirmed or not. And especially if it is option trading, come to option trading, if the in Nifty, that is our underlying asset, if Nifty is showing sell signal, that means we have to buy put option, and if it is buy signal, we have to buy call option. The software gives a sell signal, and price is also displayed here. In Nifty we got a sell at 19,008. Software gives sell in Nifty, and the price is also here. From this level you can easily select the strike price. If it is in the money, at the money, out of the money, depends on your investment. If it is if you are in the money trader, you can see the price is Nifty is selected 19,008. So you can if it is in the money, then you can prefer 19,100 or 200 put option, or if it is at the money, then you can prefer 19,000, and if it is out of the money, 18,900 or 800, you can select the strike. So in our software WinTrader, we have option chart, separate option premium chart is there. So you have to open that premium chart, and you have to check the confirmation in that premium chart. The main confirmation part is there. You have to open the premium chart, and you have to check whether this buy signal is there in the option chart, in the premium chart, and if it is confirmed, then only you can take the position. So I will show you how to check the confirmation. So I am selecting an in the money option. As I told, Nifty is a sell at 19,008. So I am preferring to select 19,200 put option chart. Now I open this 19,200 option chart. This is a put option chart, and in this chart now we can see that entry, exit level, and stop loss also that's display in the same chart. So you can see we got a buy here. The buy signal is already here, and we can see 19,000. This is a 19,200 put option chart, and you can see this software is a buy at 193.55. That level is also displaying there. Now the confirmation part is there. You have to check the confirmation. Confirmation means you already got the buy signal. Now you have to check whether this buy call is confirmed or not. Confirmation means only two confirmations there. First confirmation, the price should be in the price should be in buy zone, and the second confirmation, the below bar. If it is buy signal, on below the bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, it should be in green color. So only two confirmation you have to check. First the buy signal is there, and confirmation means the price in buy zone, and on below the bar should be in same color. If it is buy sorry, this should be in buy zone, green color. If these two confirmations are okay, that means the signal is confirmed. Then directly you can take the position in your trading platform, whatever trading platform you are using. Trade you have to do in your execute in your trading platform. So in 19,200 software gives an entry at 193.55, and it is a confirmed signal, and the exit level also software display here. You can see the software gives three different target levels. So first target 212.90 and 228 and 243.90. Software gives three target levels, and stop loss also display here. That stop loss is trailing stop loss, And as per this signal now, already achieved 3 target, and you can see Softric is a signal level at entry level at 193, and currently the premium is 344. It's a perfect entry. If the signal is confirmed, we can guarantee that it will give 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal, and it can also guarantee that a monthly return is guaranteed. It's a very simple strategy. Easily you can learn it. If you are interested to learn about this strategy, or if you want to check the live performance, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga. On below you can see my number is displayed there, 9061973737, and on below dashboard you can see on the below that video, the description box is there. You can see, check my WhatsApp link is there. Click there and directly you can come to my chat. And if you are interested to visit our office here in Kerala, and if you are interested to visit our office, you can directly contact me. You can directly come to my office. And if you want to know more about our product WinTrader, and if you want to take the live demo, contact me. And thank you for watching my video.